Alright guys, welcome back to what the fuck is this loadout? Hold on. Guess we're just doing it dark. Alright, we're doing this shit dark. This is not good. This is not good. I will be switching this loadout. Alright guys, I hope you're happy looking at a black screen for a round or two. Where? Don't be saying these things! Alright, if I just stay behind my buddies, they will take me to the point. Where'd that grenade go? Alright, there's a flashlight in here. I gotta grab that now. There we go. What is my flashlight button? Shit. There's my FAMAS. I can't see anything. This thing is a fucking minigun. God damn. I think we just lost here. So I'm gonna start working on this class. Alright, I'm back in. Alright, guess we just have iron sights for now. But hey, at least we can see, you know?
Eyes open!
Oh, this thing is bare bones, shit. Where'd he go?
Target spotted!
Again, I'm just working on getting my white whale. I want to get a helicopter kill. I wonder where that someone could be. I'm hitting the deck. Damn. It's fucking eradicated me. No, I saw somebody in here. The darkness is my friend. You merely adopted the darkness. I was born in it.
I'm at B.
Raised by it.
Enemy close. Hang on. Look. Last magazine. We got contact. Friendly down. There.
Where is there? Oh! Damn.
Bill's clear. We got it. Clear. Bring what you need. Hey.
Oh shit, wrong guy. I didn't see the name tag.
I'm throwing smoke.
Whoop, wrong one. It's gonna hit him with the explosive, but he's definitely gone now. Surely that's not a guy. That's not a guy, yeah. Stumped a whole mag into thoughts and prayers on a fucking gas pump. Well, let me just throw a Makarov on here. Just because I can. You know what, guys?
Magazine!
It's a bright area. This is a bright area. I gotta be beyond careful right now.
I'm on D!
You little firefly. It's my favorite map, I must say. As long as no one can see... Shit.
On your knees! يلا يا إخوة! They're here!
Didn't mean for that to be a direct, my bad. Just got rambunctious on a motherfucker right there. Unwarranted.
استنى!
Would really like my team to come back. I know my commander's downstairs? Yeah, my commander's downstairs. Honestly, this table's really nice.
We took D!
Shit.
Mar! Got it, yalla! Keep moving!
Sounds like explosive artillery. No windows where I'm by. Well, at least that one's closed. And I'm the only one alive again.
Losing team!
Fortunate part.
Hey, drop your weapon!
I was gonna say the unfortunate part was I would have been skylighted there.
Fall back!
I'm gonna let them fall back. I need this ammo now more than I need them dead.
Throwing smoke! Wait for it!
I missed that horrendously.
Ammo low! Reloading! Flanking!
Just can't aim these things.
أزاح الملون! أزاح الملون! Security!
They're upstairs. Right into my dark little corner I go. I'm a true rat. I'm ratting it up over here.
They're here! Get moving! Get moving! Moving! We secured E!
Oh!
Where's the radio? Let the mortars fly down, come on!
Explosive mortar, so we gotta keep our distance this time. Shouldn't be too hard, considering how far away I spawn.
Alright, we're capturing F!
F with the explosive mortars. This is not a good mix.
Alright, we're capturing F!
This is what I've been waiting for. Where is this bastard? Shit. And I'm so sorry.
I'm waiting for you.
We're all waiting. Alright then. Fuck me. I just don't think it's gonna be possible, Chief. I think I'm just throwing lives down the drain. I mean, I'm scaring it off, at least.
Casualty! Casualty! Imtahadar! Open fire! There is enemy! Watch out! Over there! We have enemy! Let's move! Get moving! Go! Reloading!
It's a cheeky little spot.
There is enemy! Enemy! Enemy!
I just wanted to kill one person with that. Honestly, not a hater of this spot right here.
Does anyone have water?
Alright.
Hey! Are we all okay?
Well, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, all the good stuff. And I'll see you on the next video.